Hi, everyone. Today I'm in New York, and I'm feeling hungry. Let's go to an American restaurant and learn some useful English together. Wow, this restaurant looks beautiful. I hope the food is delicious. Let's go inside. I'm excited to try some American food.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Liberty Grill.
Good afternoon. Thank you.
How many people are in your party?
Just one, please.
Please follow me. Here is your table. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you very much. This is a wonderful table. Now, let's look at the menu. Let's see. They have burgers, sandwiches, salads, pizza, and pasta. Everything looks delicious. I think I'll order a cheeseburger, French fries, and a glass of orange juice.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I'd like a cheeseburger, a large French fries, and a glass of orange juice, please.
1 cheeseburger, 1 large order of French fries, and 1 orange juice. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Great. Now I just have to wait. While I'm waiting, let's practice one useful sentence. I'd like a cheeseburger, please.
Here is your cheeseburger, large French fries, and orange juice. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you so much. Everything looks amazing. Let's try the cheeseburger. Wow, it's juicy, fresh, and really delicious. The French fries are crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. They're fantastic. The orange juice is cold and refreshing. It goes perfectly with the meal.
Would you like any dessert?
Yes, please. I'd like a slice of chocolate cake.
Here's your chocolate cake. Enjoy.
Thank you. It looks wonderful. Excuse me, could I have the bill, please?
Of course. I'll bring it right away. Your total is $24.50.
I'd like to pay by card, please.
Your payment was successful. Thank you.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day. That was an excellent meal. Now, let's go outside and explore more of New York. Today, we learned useful restaurant English: menu, order, cheeseburger, dessert, bill, and receipt. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Great job. Here's a helpful tip. In American restaurants, saying please and thank you is a polite and friendly way to communicate. Another useful sentence is, could I have the menu, please? You'll hear and use this phrase in many restaurants. Let's have a quick quiz. If you want to order food politely, what should you say? The correct answer is, I'd like a cheeseburger, please. Excellent job if you got it right. In our next adventure, we'll visit a famous New York coffee shop and learn how to order coffee in English. I can't wait to see you there. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and learned useful restaurant English. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to Everyday English with Rosa, and join me for our next adventure. See you soon. Goodbye.